Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole here with the Hall of Famer Jerry the King Lawler. And King, the road to WrestleMania begins at the Royal Rumble in just 3 weeks.
Well, the Royal Rumble is the most unpredictable match of the year in WWE. You see things that make your jaw drop in that match.
And of course, if you win the Rumble, you punch your ticket for the main event at WrestleMania. We've also learned that after the events of last week, John Cena will face Sheamus one more time for the World Heavyweight Championship at the Rumble.
Once again, I have retained my World Heavyweight Championship against John Cena.
Yeah, but you didn't beat him.
And now Cena wants to try again at the Royal Rumble to take the title from me? Fella, it's not gonna happen. And the same goes for Lord McIntyre and Lord Regal's opponents tonight.
Boy, you know what? You guys are pretty crafty. See, here's the thing. Daniel Bryan and I are pretty crafty too. The UK has been banned from ringside for our tag match. So why don't you go and work on your tan, Sheamus?
So Kofi Kingston and Daniel Bryan will face the WWE Tag Team Champions, William Regal and Drew McIntyre.
Yeah, and the best part is that the United Kingdom is banned from ringside.
We're back, and this match for the WWE Tag Team titles is underway. What a nasty elbow. Big slap to the chest.
He's still not through. Ooh, did you see the hit snap back?
Regal and McIntyre won the tag titles 2 weeks ago at TLC in impressive fashion.
Not only did they win the tag titles, but that night, McIntyre nearly ended the career of Rey Mysterio en route to winning the Intercontinental Championship.
He does it again. Daniel Bryan had that well scouted.
Oh, look out!
He's in bad shape. He's got to make the tag.
Oh, Daniel Bryan's got that far-away look in his eye.
Blocked. European uppercut.
He's left the ring. This could get interesting. Watch out here.
And he gets out of the ring, stopping this assault for the moment.
And Kofi gets nailed.
And he does it one more time.
There he goes, out of the ring. The ref gets absolutely flattened.
And a hard shot delivered by Kingston. And look at the controlled frenzy of Kofi Kingston.
Oh, you gotta love the unpredictability of Kofi Kingston. Look at this.
Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way.
We're gonna see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. Yow! Oh no, not this!
If you're just joining us, this match is for the WWE Tag Team titles.
And all members of the United Kingdom have been banned from ringside, Michael. Whoa!
He's measuring.
What a move by the champ! Down goes Kofi.
Regal goes for Kingston, but Kofi counters. Regal staggered.
Oh, what a leap by Kofi! This young man is so agile.
Kofi's going to
Oh,
fit.
what a shot by Regal!
Did you see that? In the like Regal just threw something out of the ring.
Yeah, I think Regal grabbed something from his tights right as Kofi was going for trouble in paradise.
Here are your winners,
King, look at this.
William Regal.
It's Arn Anderson.
Drew McIntyre.
Apparently he saw it too. Oh, look, Michael. It was brass knuckles.
The referee has reversed his decision. Your winner by disqualification, Kofi Kingston.
Well, Kofi and Bryan earned the victory, but Regal and McIntyre will retain the titles as they can't change hands on a disqualification. The United Kingdom escapes again.